Good morning guys. So the last week was kind of a bit of a mess. So basically I spent about 5 days in Vancouver, kind of just catch up on videos and chilling out, and then I went up to Whistler for 4 days to celebrate a birthday with my friend, and it was just absolutely brilliant. But I didn't really vlog that much because I wanted to give myself a break. But don't worry, the travelling is back on track today. This time I'm heading down to Victoria on Vancouver Island. So it's a bit of a complicated travel day because I have to walk to the SkyTrain station, take the SkyTrain, get a bus, go on the ferry, get another bus, and then I'll finally be in Victoria. Gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be a good one. Hostel, and I think a miracle has happened so far. We'll see how we get on later on tonight, but literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds, and all of them are empty. Maybe I might get a whole room to myself. Who knows? About not having any roommates. Someone just walked in as I was coming out, but it doesn't matter. It was nice having the place to myself for a little while. So I just came out to the waterfront out here, and it is just gorgeous. I really like it here, but it's kind of getting dark now, so we're gonna have a proper look tomorrow. I'll have the full day to go and explore. So if you like this video, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also hit subscribe as well. You can also follow me on social media: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.